Welcome to the Automotive Training Centre, part of East Sussex College Hastings. We are fortunate in that we are located in a real working environment, set in the middle of North Ridge Park Industrial Estate on Hayward Way, just off Ivy House Lane, giving our students a unique insight into a real working location. We have some of the best tutors around. They have years of industry experience, having worked on thousands of different models of vehicles in a multitude of different environments. The ATC is headed up by Paul Simmons, the site coordinator, and together with his team of lecturers, Mark Beattie, Tim Warner and Nick Wood, plus our vocational support practitioners, John Fox and Jacob Newman, we deliver some of the best industry training in the area. We offer a full range of courses from foundation through level 2 right up to level 3. All delivered in a purpose-built modern workshop, kitted out with high-tech industry standard equipment, the kind you'd normally expect to find in the top vehicle repair garages. We even have a fully equipped MOT bay. It doesn't matter what your previous experience is like, or what grades you got at school. Here at the ATC, we have a course for you. Whether that be our entry-level foundation course, one of our level 2 courses for those that have achieved a minimum of grade 3 in maths and English, or a more advanced level 3 course for those that have progressed from level 2, or those that come in with significant industry experience with a minimum of grade 4 in maths and English. All of our courses are City and Guilds accredited, and as you would expect, get progressively more technical. At foundation level, your course will focus on the practical and personal skills you need to work in the motor vehicle trade. You will learn about light vehicles, including the electrical system, engine management, steering, suspension and braking systems. You will gain a good understanding of health and safety and improve your customer service skills. Assessments here are predominantly practical based. Level 2 courses, you will build on your knowledge of light vehicle repair and learn more about vehicle servicing and the technical requirements and practices when carrying out servicing to industry standards. You'll be trained on the diagnosis of non-complex systems faults for light vehicles, gain a solid understanding of engine and chassis technology. This can either be done as a 1 or 2 year course depending on the level of qualification you aim for. From here, you can progress to level 3 or start an apprenticeship. The level 3 diploma is an advanced course where you will gain essential knowledge and skills in fault diagnosis and rectification. You will be able to use our latest industry standard equipment to find, diagnose and repair faults on engines, electronics, transmissions and chassis systems. You will sit 4 main unit exams and a number of unit practical assessments. Once you have completed this course, you will be ready to move into employment or start an apprenticeship in the industry. All of our courses are a mixture of workshop-based activities and classroom learning. The balance between the two depends on which level you're at. The foundation courses being very practically biased, and the more advanced level 3 courses leaning more on the theory. All of our courses are propped up and supported by a period of work experience in the industry. This is something we can help you sort out, but we'll always welcome if you have your own contacts. And of course, each week you will be expected to do some personal study at home. From the early 1890s, when motor vehicles first came into use on British roads, the motor vehicle industry has grown year on year. Today, the motor vehicle industry in the UK is booming and is set to keep on going in the future. The total market value for UK primary car body repairs is expected to grow by 14%, from 4.75 billion in 2018 to 5.43 billion in 2023. When you add that to the 3.65 billion car manufacturing industry, there is plenty of opportunity for employment in this sector. And the choice of jobs is just as vast. Vehicle mechanic, body repair, MOT testing, valeting, motorsport, customer service, parts advisor, vehicle designer, to name but just a few. Take her word for it. See what her students have to say. We'd now like to invite you to listen to what one of our students has to say about life at the ATC.
Charlie White, level 2 light vehicle maintenance. Since I was a little kid, I always loved getting my hands dirty, fixing those little things. Always did it. I liked it from the taster days, so I decided to come here. Obviously, we start off with the brakes really. That's what the main starter is. So you learn how to do the brake pads, the discs, wheels, learn how to bleed the brakes. Start off with the dead basics. When you're in the workshop, everyone's always having a laugh. Everyone's always chatting. There's music playing, all of that. And it's just when you're working in the workshop, even in the lesson, in writing, doing all the theory, it's all chilled out. Everyone gets on well with each other. Best teachers is Mark, Paul and Graham. Those three are the best teachers. They're amazing here. Yeah. If you've got a problem, you can always just go to them. And if anything like that, you can just talk to them, open up to them or anything. Hopefully go on to level 3. If not, then I'll try and find myself an apprenticeship or go on to the army, do engineering in there.
Since recording this, Charlie has successfully completed his level 2. He progressed on to level 3 and after an extremely good period of work experience was offered an apprenticeship. He is now working in the industry and attending college 1 day a week whilst he completes his level 3 diploma. Maybe you will meet him next year. As you would expect, you will need to get some equipment so that you're ready to start on your first day. You're going to need some uniform, a couple of polo shirts and a sweatshirt for the colder days with the ATC logo on them. These are available from Superstitch on Castleham Industrial Estate, but you do need to order these early as there can sometimes be a delay. You will also need a pair of strong black working trousers. In order to work safely in the workshop, you must have steel toe-cap safety boots, shoes or trainers. These can be purchased at any good DIY store such as Screwfix, Toolstation or B&Q. Finally, you will need some basic stationery, a calculator, a USB drive, pen, pencil, ruler, rubber, protractor, compass, A4 binder with dividers and A4 lined paper, and a suitable bag to carry it all in. A full kit list will be sent out at enrolment in August. This will also include the address for Superstitch. And don't panic, there are lockers available on site, so you won't need to carry your kit everywhere. We are all fully aware that the current situation with COVID-19 is having an effect on everything we do in life and changing the way we have to do things. And of course, college life is no different. Here at the ATC, we have been working hard behind the scenes to ensure we can continue to deliver a first-class educational experience. Exactly how this will look will depend very much on what levels of restrictions are lifted and what remain come September. However, you should expect that your time in college will mainly be focused on the practical elements of your course, and you will be required to concentrate your home studies on the theory elements. But don't worry, we have also invested in additional resources to help you, such as Electude.
The majority of vocational students are visual and kinesthetic learners. However, the traditional education system still uses a predominantly textbook-based approach. Electude recognizes that contemporary vocational students learn differently, and as students of the digital generation, they need to be taught differently. To address rapidly advancing automotive technology, new qualifications, and skill requirements, Electude has developed a learning solution that is based on gaming principles and uses interactive simulations that allows these students to learn more effectively. Electude is designed to address the reality that many vocational learners do not like to read. Their learning method keeps reading to a minimum. Instead, learning takes place through interaction with animations and simulations.
We hope you found this presentation informative and had as much fun watching it as we did making it. We would now like to invite you to take part in a Q&A session with the team from the ATC.